Now we're going to go over how to quickly and easily edit your quick settings at the top here. So first, to get to your quick settings, you just swipe down from the top, and this also brings up your notifications. And from here you can see I have 6 quick toggles that I can easily turn on and off, like the flashlight or battery saver or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever it may be. And if I swipe down one more time, you'll see I actually have more options. So I have my first 6 here and some more down at the bottom. And I also have my brightness slider here at the top, which I can use to manually adjust the brightness of my screen. I can also swipe over and see I have another page here as well. But if you want to edit and move these around, or maybe add more that's not here, make sure you hit the pencil button down in the left, not the settings icon down in the right. That'll take you to the settings for your phone. You want the edit button down here in the left. If you go ahead and click on that, you can drag and move these around. And you can also see down here we have some other options from maybe other apps and things like that we can go ahead and add. So the one I'm going to go ahead and add is the dark theme one, because this will make it easy to switch in and out of the dark theme on my phone if I so choose. So once I'm done moving those around, I can just click back, and you can see now the dark theme is one of my options here on the page, and I can easily turn it on or off. Now, if you want it to be in one of the first 6 up here, because I usually toggle it on and off a bunch, I can just go ahead and edit again and make sure it's in my top 6. Okay, if it's in my top 6, then I know I can access it from just one swipe now, instead of having to do 2 swipes to get to all of my quick settings. So now I can just easily swipe down and turn it on or off. So that's how you quickly edit your quick settings. Another thing to note about quick settings is, say you want to go and connect to someone's Wi-Fi or something like that. You could jump into your main settings and get to the Wi-Fi information and log in there. Or if you just pull down the quick settings here and long press on the settings you want to get to, so we'll do Wi-Fi, if you just long press, it brings you right into your normal Wi-Fi settings. So you can do the same for Bluetooth. You can do the same for Do Not Disturb to get to those settings. So instead of hunting around in the main settings to try to get to something like Do Not Disturb, you can just go ahead and long press on it. And here are all the Do Not Disturb main settings. Or these are the dark mode settings, because that's what I clicked on. But if you do not disturb, they'll pop up right here. So that's just an easy way to get to some settings in the phone, so you don't have to hunt around all the main settings. And that's also how you can edit and rearrange these quick settings and put what's more useful to you at the top and things like that. So hopefully that helps.